46. Typical effective dose with a chest X-ray PA view is 0.02 millisievert, 2 millisievert, 10 millisievert or 100 millisievert. The answer is 0.02 millisievert. 47. Uterus and fallopian tubes are assessed by miniaturizing cystourethrophy, intravenous urethropy, hysterosalpingography or myelography. Answer is C. Hysterosalpingography. Uterus and fallopian tubes are assessed by HSG. Xylogram is used to study salivary gland, spinal cord, small intestine or blood vessel. Obviously, xylogram means salivary gland. Which of the following is an ionic contrast medium? Iopamidol, iohexol, iobromide or ioxolate? Answer is ioxolate. Which is not true regarding mammography? A. The generator must be able to maintain a very accurate kVp. Ranges of 25 to 35 kVp. The X-ray tube has certain special design features including a beryllium window and a molybdenum target. Focal spot is very large, or the tube filter is 0.03 mm of molybdenum or 0.5 aluminum equivalent to absorb X-ray below the optimum kVp range, which is not true. In this C number, focal spot is very large. This is not true. Other than this, all are true. 51. Stenover's view used to assess sella mandible, greater tuberosity of humerus or petrous temporal bone. Answer is D. Petrous temporal bone. CP sternal joint is at the level of 6th thoracic vertebra, 9th thoracic vertebra, 1st lumbar vertebra or 3rd lumbar vertebra. Answer is B. 9th thoracic vertebra. 53. Lordotic view is used to demonstrate exaggerated lombardoscosis, paranasal sinus, long epiphysis or middle lobe collapse. Answer is middle lobe collapse. In middle lobe collapse, lordotic view is done. Lordotic view is done. Now 54. In a posterior anterior or PA view of chest, cardiac shadow is margined. Scapula is projected to over upper lobes, appears most superficially affect if over penetrated. Is adequate 8 to 10 posterior ribs seen above diaphragm. Answer is D. 55. The activator commonly used with rare earth phosphor gadolinium oxysulfide is terbium, lanthanum, niobium or thubium. Answer is A. Neutrophils is used in the evaluation of hepatobiliary system, fallopian tube, small bowel or thecal sac. Answer is C. Small bowel. 57. SI unit of dose equivalent is Roentgen, Gray, Rad or Sievert. Answer is Sievert. Which of the following is not deterministic effect of radiation? Skin erythema, sterility, carcinogenesis or fetal abnormality? Answer is C. Carcinogenesis. Carcinogenesis is not a deterministic effect of radiation. It is somatic effect. Radiation workers exposed is limited to an annual effective dose equivalent of 5 msp, 15 msp, 50 msp or 100 msp. Radiation worker exposure limit is an annual effective dose. Please comment this answer. I will mention this question answer in next video. 60 number. Primary radiation barrier material used include concrete, lead, steel or any of the above. Any of the above. All can be used. Better we use lead. If we don't have lead, we can use concrete. but concrete width will be maximum or equivalent to 10 mm. Personal monitoring device includes all except Geiger-Müller counter, film badge, DLD badge or pocket dosimeter. Obviously Geiger-Müller counter. This is not a personal monitoring device. This is a radiation monitoring device. Uh, X-ray radiation monitoring instrument includes all except ionization chamber, Geiger counter, neutron REM counter or photographic film. Answer is C. Neutron REM counter. Therapeutic range of electricity is given by depth of which depth dose? 70%, 90%, 80 or 85%. Answer is B. 90%. Field shaping is done by all except custom blocking, wedge filter in independent source or multi-leaf collimator. Answer is B. Wedge filter. In linear oscillator, photon beam passes from the source till to the exit from gantry head in the order primary collimator, ion chamber, filter MLC, primary collimator to filter or ion chamber MLC, primary collimator to MLC, filter and ion chamber, or filter to primary collimator, MLC or ion chamber. Again, in linear oscillator, photon beam passes from source till in the exit from gantry head in the order. Yeah, we have to uh, know which order photon beam passes in gantry. Now the answer is option B. Primary collimator, then filter, ion chamber, then after MLC. Now 66. Gating is a new technique used in treatment of calcium of rectum, tongue, calcium of lung or calcium of ovary. Calcium of tongue. Gating technique we can use. Ups. Now 67. Electronic portal imaging device EPID is a radiotherapy used for treatment planning, treatment verification, CT simultaneation or conversational simultaneation. Answer is B. Treatment verification. Question 68. All head and neck malignancies have the same nodule staging in TNM system except in a cancer. Buccal mucosa, oropharynx, tongues or nasopharynx. In nasopharynx, except nasopharynx. Radiation reactions in head and neck radiation includes all except mucositis, skin pigmentation, Bieder's vaginum or dye mouth. Answer is bleeding for vaginum. Total external beam radiation dose given in the treatment of cancer cervix stage 3rd is 25 Garan, 35, 45 or 65. Answer is C. 45 Garan. Which of is the oncologic emergency treated with radiation? Tumor lysis syndrome, superior vena cava obstruction, polymyositis or none of the above. Answer is B. Superior vena cava obstruction. 72. Post-mastectomy radiation is given by a 4-field box techniques, tangential field, lateral parallel pair or none of the answer. Answer is tangential field. 73. Radiation treatment is given for the following non-malignant brain condition: astrocytoma, encephalitis, glioblastoma or craniopharyngioma. Answer is D. Craniopharyngioma. In craniopharyngioma, radiation treatment is given. The following radiation fields are used in the treatment of lipoma except mantle field, inverted field, dog-leg field or pencil beam field. Answer is pencil beam field. Craniospinal radiation is primarily used in the treatment of craniopharyngioma, vertebral metastasis, medulloblastoma, or multiple myeloma? Answer is C. Medulloblastoma. In medulloblastoma, craniospinal radiation is used. Scalp hair loss occurs in the following condition except cranial irradiation, chemotherapy, both or pelvic irradiation. Pelvic irritation. Multiple punched out lesion in the skull X-ray is character seen in non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, Hodgkin's disease, soft tissue sarcoma, or multiple myeloma. Answer is multiple myeloma. In multiple myeloma, multiple punched out lesions in skull is seen. The phenomenon in which light continues to emit for some time, even after the radiation exposure ended, is called fluorescence, quantum modal phosphorescence, or none of the above. Answer is phosphorescence. In fluorescence we cannot see light, but in phosphorescence we can see light even after radiation is ended. Thank you. In this session only question up to 78 I have taken. If you have any doubt you can comment down below, and please subscribe and share my video. This will be helpful for all medical students and students who is preparing for Lok Seva exam, and also students who has passed bachelor or PCL level examination and waiting for the uh, entrance exam for license. This is helpful for all the faculties in radiography in all the levels. So please like, share and comment. Thank you.